Importing a Phantom wallet is a straightforward process that allows users to access their existing Solana accounts on a new device or browser. To begin, first ensure you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your browser, or have the Phantom Wallet mobile app downloaded on your device. Next, open the Phantom Wallet extension or app and click on the Import Wallet option, usually located on the main screen or in the Settings menu. You will then be prompted to enter your secret recovery phrase, which is a list of 12 words that were provided when you first created your Phantom wallet. Enter your secret recovery phrase carefully, making sure to include all 12 words in the correct order, separated by spaces. If you have a password set on your wallet, you may also be prompted to enter this. After entering your secret recovery phrase and password, if applicable, click the Import button to start the import process. Phantom Wallet will then retrieve your account information and synchronize your wallet with the Solana blockchain. Once the import process is complete, your wallet will be fully restored, and you will have access to all of your existing accounts and assets. It is essential to keep your secret recovery phrase safe and secure, as anyone with access to this phrase can import and control your wallet. Best practices for importing a Phantom wallet include using a secure and private device or browser, double-checking your secret recovery phrase for accuracy, and avoiding sharing your phrase with anyone. By following these steps and guidelines, you can easily import your Phantom wallet and manage your Solana accounts securely.